Nano, you are grounded forever. Go to your room right now. Yes, I grounded Evil Nano.
Look, my normal clone. Strawberry Cat just grounded me for no reason.
And you deserve it. Because you cause a lot of trouble and get grounded a lot. Go back inside the house and go to your room right now.
Wah 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 wah.
Strawberry Cat, thanks for grounding Evil Nano. Because he deserves it for causing a lot of trouble and getting grounded a lot. I will be calling your dad about this. You may go home now. Strawberry Cat, I just got a call from Nano that you grounded Evil Nano. And for this, you are ungrounded for life. You can do whatever you want.
Thank you, Dad.
You are welcome, sweetheart.